Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. If you're looking for something a little different to do with cranberries, I do have some ideas here, and I have some suggested flavor combinations for using fresh cranberries. You can combine fresh cranberries with apples and oranges. That sounds good. It will take away from some of that tartness. How about combining fresh cranberries with apples and raisins? Or combine them with balsamic vinegar, ginger, honey, miso, and orange. That sounds like a good combo. Combine fresh cranberries with brown sugar, lime, oranges, and walnuts. Or fresh cranberries with cinnamon, ginger, oranges, vanilla, and walnuts. How about fresh cranberries with cloves, ginger, and oranges? A nice spicy fruit salad there. Or sweeten fresh cranberries with dates and orange. Or fresh cranberries with maple syrup and vanilla. You could combine fresh cranberries with nuts and wild rice. That sounds like a really good combo. Or add them to oatmeal with some chopped up walnuts. Or combine fresh cranberries with oranges, pears, and pecans. I do hope this helps. Let me know if any of these work well for you. This is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Bye for now.